You get up here this instant, you bumbling inept! Oh, no!
Oh, gosh, I'm flying!
Hey, let go of him!
Oh, golly, no, don't do that!
Bring him back, please! Oh, poor clumsy. Now we'll never save the village from the hopping cough. What else could possibly go? Oh, no.